In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cloudflare error 521 web server is down. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're seeing this error 521, this basically means that Cloudflare can't or can reach your site's IP, but your origin server is refusing the connection. Basically, Cloudflare is up, but your server isn't responding properly. Now, the first fix, what we can do is open up a web browser, go to Google and just type in down for everyone or just me. And then click onto the first link here for down for everyone, just me. And now if it is down for everyone, or basically it is down and it's not your issue, it's something on their servers end. So basically just the only thing you can do is go ahead and just wait it out. So yeah, just go ahead and do a search. So check if a website, app or service is down for everyone or just me. So say for example, I want to check on facebook.com, want to do a search. Now if it's down for everyone, well, we just wait it out. But if it's down for me, there are some other things we can fix. So basically to fix it, click on the three dots, click into settings, click onto privacy and security. Now we want to go ahead and click on delete histories, cookie cache and more. Now there are some settings we need to change inside of here. So first setting is click onto more, click on all time, click onto show more. Now we need to make sure these two are checked, cookies and other site data and cached images and file, and go ahead and click on delete data. Now also what we can do is update Google Chrome. If you are using Chrome, if you are using a different web browser, go ahead and make sure that web browser is up to date. So go ahead and click on about Chrome. If it is up to date, it's going to say Chrome is up to date, but if it isn't, it's going to say download, install, or install, and go ahead and update Google Chrome. Now another fix we can try is go ahead and head to our extensions and click in manage extensions and disable all your extensions inside of here, and then go back to that website or app that you're trying to visit, and if it works, that means it is an extension related issue. So to figure out which one, so disable every single extension and just enable these one by one to see which one is the culprit. Now the last fix is to go ahead and use a different web browser. So I'm in Google Chrome, as I stated. I can go ahead and use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser I've got on my PC. If it works there, that means it is a browser related issue, so you might need to go ahead and uninstall and reinstall that browser and maybe do a deep dive in what's actually happening with that browser.